All right, so I'm going to make a little video that kind of catches up exactly what I asked you to do over the last 30 minutes. And I'm going to do it in about 5. Don't worry, like I said, I'm a professional. Don't try this, well, do try this at home. So I need to put an image right in there, and that is the image of the poster. So the IMG tag is the basic tag that I want to throw in there. The only other thing I need is the source. Now, the source could be an image that comes from a folder in my site, but because I want to use placeholders, I simply want to just tag in that code that I gave you to generate that pseudo placeholder. And so http://via.placeholder.com/300x400, and that's it. That's all I have to have if I want to insert a 300 by 400 placeholder here. So there we go. That's all I did to dump that in. Save it, pop over here, and let's test it. And there we go. I've got my image in there. It's not pretty, but it's there. So I'm going to just keep this in my clipboard for right now, and I'm going to come down here to my ordered list of unordered list of actors, and I'm going to drop in an H2 and put in cast and close the H2, and then in front of each of the characters I'm going to paste that code, but I'm going to change this to 150. Now, what I didn't tell you is if I leave just one number there, it's going to assume it's the height and the width. So it'll actually give me a square. So if I save that and I come back over in preview, you'll see that it actually gives me a 150 by 150 square. So if I wanted to shorthand it a little bit, I could just put one number in, and that'd be both the top or the width and height. But just for you guys, I'm going to go through and drop it in correct. So I'd take that little bit of code and place it in front of each of the actors, save that, come back over here, and you'll see now that everything is the way that it needs to be. Then I need to come after the synopsis, and the instructions were to insert a table with 2 rows and 3 columns. I can do that. That's a table, and then inside the table open a TR, then I open a TD, I close the TD, open the TD, close the TD, open the TD, close the TD, close the TR, and then open the TR, open the TD. Isn't that fun? This is when it gets tedious and repetitive, but it helps reinforce what the process is. Okay, so there's my table that I just inserted that quickly. Now I need to dump the image in there, but this image was 200 by 250. And I'm going to go through and swipe that and copy and paste it there and there and there and there and there. Save that, come back over, and now you'll see that my stuff is in there. So there you go. A few minutes, simple pattern of putting in the table, putting in some headings, and once you've got that little code for the images, you just drop that in to each one that's in there. Yes?
H2 gallery.
Oh, and then I have wonderful students who correct me when I got to go back and put that in. Thank you very much, Russell. All right, so now that I've got that in there, I can save it, and then this is what I would upload, having added those few things in there.